Hey guys, today we are going to make a Christmas fruit cake. This is one of the easiest recipes to try. The cake is filled with lots of juicy dry fruits and has the beautiful aroma of spices that makes the cake more flavorful. You can choose the fruits and nuts of your choice. A cup and 2/3 of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of butter at room temperature, 1 cup of glazed cherries, half a cup of currants, half a cup of raisins, half a cup of apricots, half a cup of dried cranberries, 1/4 cup of candied ginger, 1 tablespoon orange zest and half a teaspoon of lemon or lime zest, 1 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of orange juice, 1 1/4 cup of prunes, 1 cup of sliced almonds, 1 cup of walnuts, 3/4 cup of cashews, half a teaspoon of nutmeg powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half a teaspoon of ground cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 3 eggs at room temperature, 1 tablespoon of browning, 2 tablespoons of orange marmalade, and 2 cups of red wine. Place a large pan on a medium heat stove, and to that we are going to add the butter, when it starts melting we are going to add glazed cherries, currants, raisins, apricots, cranberries, candied ginger, prunes, orange juice, zest of orange and lime, brown sugar, and to that we are going to add red wine, also add orange marmalade, which gives an additional taste to the cake. Stir it well and bring to boil. Let it simmer for 10 minutes or until the fruits are well soaked in the liquid. Turn the stove off, set aside, and add all spices, cashews, almonds, and walnuts. Give it a nice mix. Let it cool at room temperature. Meanwhile, let us sieve the flour with baking powder and baking soda. Add beaten eggs and vanilla essence to the mixture and combine well. And then add flour mix into this and stir together. Finally, add browning, which can give a beautiful dark color to a cake. Preheat the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Line the cake tin with parchment paper at the bottom and on the sides. The sides are covered at least 2 inches higher than the sides of the tin to prevent burning of the cake in the oven. Spoon the mixture to the lined baking tin. Make a shallow well in the center to avoid a cake dome. Decorate the top with glazed cherries and nuts or according to your guys' preference. Tap the tin a few times to remove any air spaces. Bake it for 45 minutes at 300 degree Fahrenheit. After 45 minutes, lower the temperature to 275 degree Fahrenheit and cook for further 90 minutes. Let us remove the cake from the oven. Our fruity, moist, dark cake is ready. Check whether it is cooked well using a skewer. Make a few holes and spoon 3 to 4 tablespoons of red wine. Let it cool down well. Wrap it in a parchment paper and aluminum foil and let it rest overnight. You can keep it for a week, and if you would like, you can spoon some wine on the top of the cake every day. Hope you all are going to try this recipe, and thank you for watching.